funniest message in the world is not, I miss you.
So just now you have seen this stickman video, and guys, it's too easy to make stickman video. If you do not want to show your face on Instagram or on YouTube and you want to make such videos, then this video is really going to help you out. You just have to give command to ChatGPT to write a script, and ChatGPT will write script for you. That script you can use to create stickman video. So you do not have to do anything, and it's really going to help you out, and you can boost your Instagram and YouTube, and you can earn more and more followers. Likewise, most of the creator this time they are doing and they're making such videos. So see how you can create stickman video step by step. So you will open ChatGPT in your phone, and here you have to write a script, give command to ChatGPT to write a comedy script. So accordingly, it will write a comedy script or whatever script you want. You can ask or you can give command to ChatGPT. So here I have asked ChatGPT to write a comedy script for me, and you can see that it is writing script for me. I just have to copy this script and I will use it to a platform. I will tell you from where I can get this stickman. So I will go to Google and I will search for Google AI Studio to get audio of this script. And here I will log in. Now I will scroll it down, go to this turn text into audio with Gemini. So I will go here. Now as only one stickman is there, so I will have to select speaker 1. So for that I will click right side, and here I will select singer speaker. Now here you have to paste the script, and you can see that it is generating audio for my this video. Now you can download. So you can see that I got the audio from here, and then go to Adobe app in your phone that you can install from Play Store, and here you will search animate character option. So once you search this, you will get this interface, and here whichever cartoon or whichever character you want you can select. So I have selected this stickman, and here you can get option to change background. You can see that whichever background you want you can select as per your video content. So you can see that multiple background we can get, and we can even set the video interface. And here you will select browse and will upload our audio. You can see that we are getting option of record. So as we already have audio, so we'll go to browse option and we'll select audio that we have downloaded. Now you can see that here my stickman video is generating, and you can see that we get this video and how easy it is to create stickman video, and you can choose any character that you saw in the app. So you can see that this
Ladies
is
and
too
gentlemen,
easy, and here my video is created. So I hope you like this video. Give thumbs up, do subscribe to this channel, guys. I'm making the videos on basic tech skill that you all should know. I've already uploaded free AI videos and AI dance videos, you can see, and you can create such videos for your YouTube and Instagram platform. So boost your subscriber and follower. Till then, take care.